Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Distinguished leaders of Friends of Zion, Excellencies, Honorable guests, ladies and gentlemen, good evening to you all. Shalom. First of all, Mike Evans, founder of the Friends of Zion, thank you for your visionary leadership and unwavering dedication to strengthening the bonds of friendship between Israel and its friends around the world. It is a great honor for me to join you this evening and to stand among distinguished guests committed to the values of freedom, faith, peace, and mutual understanding. It is a great honor to join you tonight and to stand among friends who share a commitment to freedom, resistance, democracy, and enduring values that unite our peoples. On behalf of the people of the Republic of Somaliland, I extend my sincere appreciation to the Friends of Zion for this warm hospitality, for the important work you do in building bridges of understanding, friendship, and cooperation across nations. The relationship between Somaliland and Israel is not merely a diplomatic engagement. It is a partnership built upon shared principles and common aspirations. Both our nations have demonstrated extraordinary resilience in the face of challenges. Both have built democratic institutions, pursued peace and stability, and maintained an unwavering commitment to the development and prosperity of their people. Today, Somaliland and Israel are strengthening a friendship that is strategic, practical, and future-oriented. Our cooperation extends beyond words and symbolism. We are good Muslims. We are promoting peace. We are promoting to live together. We are working together to unlock opportunities in trade, in investment, in agriculture innovation, in water management, technology and education, healthcare and security cooperation. We believe that our partnership can serve as a model of constructive engagement founded on mutual respect and shared interests. Somaliland views Israel as a trusted friend and an important strategic partner. We admire Israel's remarkable achievement in innovation, economic development, and national resilience. We are eager to deepen cooperation between our governments, businesses, institutions, and peoples for the benefit of both nations. As Somaliland continues its journey of democratic governance, economic transformation, and regional stability, we seek partnerships with nations that value peace, progress, and genuine cooperation. Israel is one of those partners. Together, we can build stronger economic ties, expand commercial opportunities, enhance security cooperation, and create new pathways for prosperity and development. Ladies and gentlemen, tonight's gathering is a testament to the growing friendship between Somaliland and Israel. It reflects our shared belief that strong relationships are built through trust, dialogue, and a common vision for the future. I am deeply honored to receive this distinguished award from Friends of Zion. I accept it not on my own behalf, but on behalf of the people of Somaliland, whose determination, resilience, and commitment to democracy continue to inspire our nation's progress. This recognition strengthens our resolve to further deepen friendship between Somaliland and Israel and to work together in advancing peace, prosperity, security, and cooperation. I thank Friends of Zion for this meaningful honor and for standing as a valued partner in building a brighter future for our two peoples. Thank you, and may God bless Somaliland and Israel and the enduring friendship between our nations. God bless again Somaliland and Israel.